Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. First, check your OS version and apply any pending updates so the VPN client has current system libraries. Once done, confirm your VPN account, password, and target server address so you don't chase wrong credentials. Next, test basic connectivity. Plug an Ethernet cable or reconnect Wi-Fi and ping a reliable host to make sure the internet works before proceeding to client troubleshooting. Now focus on the complex middle steps to restore a stable VPN connection. You should reinstall or update the VPN client from the provider to eliminate corrupted binaries. This often fixes obscure crashes. After installation, remove outdated profiles and import a fresh config or re-enter credentials to avoid mismatched settings. If problems persist, change the VPN protocol and adjust port or DNS settings because protocol mismatches and DNS leaks. Finish by validating the connection and cleaning up. Connect to different provider servers to rule out a single server outage and run DNS and leak tests so you confirm your DNS is routed through the tunnel and your IP changed. Make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the client and reinstall or roll back network drivers if the adapter behaves oddly. If nothing works, enable verbose logs, note timestamps, and send those logs to support. This expedites diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.